How to do gender swap on CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can do gender swap on CapCut. So, let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Now, select the photo or the video where your face is completely exposed. For example, I will select this picture. Now, here you can see the picture is of a male. So, in order to change it into a female, just click on the photo and here you can see the option of style at the toolbar. Click on it. Now, from the toolbar, if you click on scrolling, here you can see the option of face swap. Click on it. Under this section, there used to be the option of gender swap or gender change, but CapCut has vanished that. Now, what you can do is just use another method for that. Come to the home page again and here you can see I have already installed FaceApp application. You can also install it from the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now, open the FaceApp and select the photo. Once it's chosen your photo, now keep on scrolling at the toolbar. Once you see the gender option, click on it. Now, here you will see three different options: female, female 2, and masculine. So, in order to do the gender swap, just click on the female option, wait for a while, and that's it. Here you can see the photo of the man is changed into a female. Now, at the top of the screen, in the right side, you can see the option of save. Click on it and save it into your device. So, this is all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video.